Can use hidden form tool in Excel. Just go to File tab, select Options, select Quick Access Toolbar and select here Commands not in the ribbon. Select Form and click on Add button and press OK. The form tool appear on a quick access toolbar. Now select the table and click on Form. Your form will appear here. So you can add new data entry, delete any data, find previous or next and select or set a criteria. So click on New button and type the desired data. After filling data, click on New button. Press Enter key. Your data will be added in the table. If you want to find any data, just type the name EMP001 and press Find Previous. Find Next.